Huh? What is that?
His work. Good job. I'm surveying this entire canal so that we can widen the canal. But we are widening the canal this way by buying houses and moving the houses. Okay, we'll start off. Let's gonna start off with doing the surveying part, and then I'm gonna get this building into the GTS so I can compare it to the other stuff. And that's about it. Another thing, this has a rail. I have a canal near my house. No rail. Like, we could just easily just fall in. Yeah, the reason I'm gonna do this first is because I feel like it at least have it working for a long time, and then you get used to getting points. And plus, I'll just end it off by just standing here and getting these points. It's easier as opposed to setting up. Walk down 1, 2, 3. Gotta come back 4 times. I'll do 4 times. Engineer something.
What are you doing out here?
Surveying.
Where's your partner?
Partner.
You're doing it by yourself?
I'm an absolute.
What is that?
What is work? Okay, ik film het in aan je.
bar is open 24/7.
Because I'm about to go. It's Saturday morning. I'm about to go to have some drinks. And I can't see you next time. Hey.